Last issue we share how to perform fast static GPS measurement. This issue we will share how to perform control point measurement with G60 Pro GNSS receiver. First, open ArcK Software Surdex 6.0. Click the control point survey function in Survey to enter this interface. Click the setting icon to enter the settings interface. Here are some items that can be set. You can select appropriate parameters for tolerance setting and control point settings according to your actual needs. After completing the settings, click OK. Go back to this interface. We can name the control point K1. Then it will start collecting automatically. We just need to wait for it to finish loading. After the loading is completed, we obtain the data of the K1 control point measurement result. In this way, we complete the GPS control point measurement. Next, we click Points Database and select K1 control point to export the data just measured. Click Export Report to go to the export file interface. After confirming the project name, selecting the storage location and file type, click Export to successfully export the file. Next, we need to connect the data controller to the computer with the data cable, so that we can export the files to the computer in order to view the specific data content. The data controller appears on the computer as a U-disk. Click it to enter the storage hard drive. Click on it to go to the storage space. According to the storage path, find the X survey folder and click it. Then click the data folder. We can see the file. Drag and save the file to the computer desktop. Open the file to view the GPS control point measurement report. This is the measured coordinate parameter. For more exciting content, welcome to follow our channel at Geodeck Surveying Technology.